ওয়েলকাম বন্ধুসকল, মই মোৰ চেনেললৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আৰু আজি যিটো APDCL এক্সাম আছে এইটোৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম। আৰু APDCL এক্সামৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ যিখিনি সিলেবাস লাগে এইখিনি আমাক সিলেবাস লাগে, কিন্তু ইয়াৰ মাজত আমি আজি কম্পিউটাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যনছবিলাক কৰিম, যিটো এক্সামৰ কাৰণে বহুতেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। আৰু আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব, মই আগতে দুটা ভিডিঅ' দিছোঁ, পাৰ্ট 1 পাৰ্ট 2, আৰু এইটো পাৰ্ট 3 হয়। গতিকে যদি এইখিনি দেখা নাই সেইখিনি দেখি ল'ব, কাৰণ কুৱেশ্যনখিনি বহুতেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। আৰু ইয়াৰ পিছৰখিনি মই অতি সোনকালে বনাই আছোঁ। আপোনালোকে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু মোৰ লগত থাকিব, মই গোটেইখিনি বনাই দিম। আৰু সময়ৰ অভাৱত মই গোটেইখিনি কৰিব নোৱাৰিম, কাৰণ ভিডিঅ'টো ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব। আপোনালোকে লাগিলে পজ কৰি ল'ব, মই কুৱেশ্যনছটো আৰু এনচাৰটো জাষ্ট পঢ়ি দিম। চ' ষ্টাৰ্ট। Special effect used to introduce slides in a presentation are called animations. Option D. What are graphical objects used to represent commonly used applications? Options E. Icon. Which of the following operating system is not owned and licensed by a company? Its Unix system. Options A. Most World Wide Web page contain commands in the language HTML. Option C. A directory within a directory is called subdirectory. Options D. Data and time are available on the desktop at text bar. Option A. What are distinct items that don't have much meaning to you in a given context? Option A. Files. An example of telecommunications device is a modem. Option D. A blinking symbol on the screen that shows where the next character will appear in an. Option C. Cursor. To indent the first paragraph of your report, you should use this key. Option C. Tab key. A scripting language similar to HTML and which runs only on a browser is JavaScript. Option D. In this processing, a number of jobs are put together and executed as a group is. Options A. Batch processing. A policy on firewalls need not ensuring that it is logically secured. Options D. Left justify is the same as align left. Option A. Dialog control is a function of the disk layer. It's option C. Presentation. In shell programming, which of the following command is used for character translation? It's option A. TR. The program which takes user input, interprets it, and takes necessary actions is C. Shell. When the text automatically goes on to the next line, this is called word orb. Option C. If there are 5 routers and B networks in an internet network using link state routing, how many routing tables are there? 5. In a network with 25 computers, which topology would require the more extensive cabling? Options A. Mesh. Which out of the following commands would you use to change your password in Unix system? It's option B. cnpass. Which input device cannot be used to work in MS offline? Options D. Joystick. Which type of commerce is characterized by low volume and high value transaction in banking? Options B. B2B. Which menu is MS Word can be used to change page size and typeface? Option C. Format. Messenger mailbox is represented in Netscape Communicator. Option B. In a SONET system, disk can remove signals from a path. It's option C. An add drop multiplier. What is the name of list that stores the URLs of web pages and link visited past few days? That's option C. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of emails? That option B. Record maintenance in database. Computers send and receive data in the format of dash signal. As you know, digital B option. To take information from one source and bring it to your computer is referred to as B downloads. Thanks for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. And if you like this video, then please like and comment.